Still not getting the FPS you want? It might be time for a serious GPU upgrade. Welcome to Graphics Card, Part 3, where we're breaking down some of the best graphics cards on Amazon built for ultra settings, smooth frame rates, and next-level performance. Whether you're gaming in 1440p or pushing into 4K, this list has power you don't want to miss. Stay till the end to see which card delivers the best bang for your buck, and subscribe now for more elite PC gear breakdowns. At number 1 we have GIGABYTE RX 9060 graphics card. Experience next-generation performance with the GIGABYTE Radeon RX 9060 XT Gaming OC16G graphics card, powered by the advanced Radeon RX 9060 XT architecture and built for smooth, high-resolution gaming. Featuring 16 GB of high-speed GDDR6 memory and PC 5.0 support, this graphics card delivers exceptional bandwidth and responsiveness for modern AAA titles, competitive esports, and content creation workloads. The wind-force cooling system with innovative Hawk fan design ensures optimized airflow and efficient heat dissipation, while server-grade thermal-conductive gel enhances contact with critical components for improved thermal stability and long-term reliability. Customizable RGB lighting adds a dynamic visual touch to your build, allowing you to match your setup's aesthetic with ease. Engineered for powerful performance, stable cooling, and striking style, the GVR 9060X Gaming OC16GD is an ideal upgrade for gamers seeking smooth frame rates and future-ready connectivity. At number 2 we have ASUS RTX 5060 16GB graphics card. Step into the future of gaming and AI acceleration with the ASUS Prime GeForce RTX 5060 T 16GB GDDR7 OC Edition, powered by the cutting-edge NVIDIA Blackwell architecture and enhanced with DLSS 4 technology for ultra-smooth frame rates and stunning visual fidelity. Delivering up to 772 AI TOPS, this GPU is built for advanced AI workloads, next-gen gaming, and high-performance content creation. The OC Edition boosts performance up to 2647 MHz in OC mode, 2617 MHz default, giving you extra headroom for demanding titles and creative applications. Designed as an SFF-ready enthusiast card, its efficient 2.5-slot form factor fits compact builds without compromising power. Equipped with ultra-fast 16GB GDDR7 memory, PC 5.0 support, HDMI registered, and DisplayPort 2.1 connectivity, plus dual BIOS functionality for performance or quiet modes, this graphics card delivers next-level speed, intelligent performance, and reliable thermal control for modern gaming rigs. At number 3 we have PNY RTX 5070 graphics card. Unlock next-level performance with NVIDIA GeForce RTX GPUs featuring DLSS, a revolutionary suite of AI-powered neural rendering technologies designed to boost FPS, reduce latency, and enhance image quality for smoother, sharper gameplay. Equipped with 5th-generation Tensor cores, new streaming multiprocessors, and 4th-generation ray tracing cores, these GPUs deliver groundbreaking realism and accelerated performance across modern titles and demanding workloads. NVIDIA Reflex technology optimizes the graphics pipeline for ultimate responsiveness, enabling faster target acquisition, reduced system latency, quicker reaction times, and improved aiming precision in competitive gaming. Beyond gaming, RTX GPUs empower advanced AI capabilities on your Windows PC, accelerating content creation, productivity, and development tasks with built-in AI processors. With exclusive RTX-powered tools for AI-assisted creative workflows, GeForce RTX graphics cards redefine what's possible in gaming, streaming, and professional content creation. At number 4 we have XFX AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT graphics card. Experience elite-tier gaming power with the XFX Mercury AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT OC Gaming Edition, built on the advanced AMD RDNA 4 architecture for exceptional performance and efficiency. Equipped with 16 GB of high-speed GDDR6 memory, this graphics card delivers smooth frame rates and stunning visuals for demanding AAA titles, high-refresh esports gaming, and intensive creative workloads. With an impressive boost clock of up to 3100 MHz, the RX 9070 XT OC Edition provides the speed and responsiveness needed for ultra settings and high-resolution gameplay. The XFX Merc triple fan cooling solution ensures optimal thermal performance with enhanced airflow and stable temperatures under heavy loads, while integrated RGB lighting adds a customizable, premium aesthetic to your gaming rig. Designed for gamers and enthusiasts who demand high clock speeds, powerful cooling, and striking design, the XFX Mercury RX 9070 XT OC delivers next-generation performance ready for competitive and immersive gaming experiences. At number 5 we have ASUS RTX 5070 graphics card. Powered by the NVIDIA Blackwell architecture and DLSS 4. SFF-ready enthusiast GeForce card compatible with small form factor builds. Axial Tech fans feature a smaller fan hub that facilitates longer blades and a barrier ring that increases downward air pressure. Phase change GPU thermal pad helps ensure optimal heat transfer, lowering GPU temperatures for enhanced performance and reliability. 2.5 slot design allows for greater build compatibility while maintaining cooling performance. Dual ball fan bearings last up to twice as long as standard sleeve bearings. 0 decibels technology lets you enjoy light gaming in relative silence. Dual BIOS switch lets you toggle between quiet and performance BIOS profiles. Auto Extreme manufacturing process for precision and reliability. GPU Tweak 3 software provides intuitive performance tweaking, advanced thermal control, and system monitoring. At number 6 we have ASRock AMD Radeon RX 9070 graphics card. Next-gen GPU architecture, features AMD RDNA4 architecture with 64 compute units, 3rd-gen RT and 2nd-gen AI accelerators for exceptional gaming and content creation performance. Extreme clock speeds, boost clock up to 2970 MHz and game clock of 2400 MHz, delivering exceptional performance for 4K gaming and intensive workloads. High-capacity memory, 16GB GDDR6 memory on 256-bit bus provides ample bandwidth for high-resolution gaming and content creation. Advanced cooling system, triple fan design with striped ring fans, ultra-fit heat pipes, and air-deflecting fan technology for optimal thermal performance. Premium build quality, reinforced metal frame and stylish metal backplate ensure durability and enhanced heat dissipation. Modern display connectivity, equipped with 3x DisplayPort 2.1a and 1x HDMI 2.1b outputs, supporting high resolution and high refresh rate displays. RGB lighting support, polychrome sync compatibility allows for customizable RGB lighting synchronization with other compatible components. At number 7 we have Maxsun AMD Radeon RX 580 graphics card. A large area of copper is covered on the aluminum radiator with 4 6mm heat pipes and 9 cm PWM dual fans to provide an excellent cooling effect for the GPU works at a lower temperature, higher efficiency and stability. Maxsun AMD Radeon RX 580 2048 SB graphics card has a silver-plated power OCPCB and all-solid capacitors, independent MOS heatsink, and high-quality GPU memory chipset ready for harsh working even in harsh terms. The pre-installation metal backplate reduces the risk of graphics card deformation and improves cooling ability. The full digital output can maximum extend 3 monitors in 8K resolution, with AMD FreeSync technology putting an end to choppy gameplay and broken frames with fluid, artifact-free performance at virtually any frame rate. Behold the next breakthrough in PC and console gaming experiences. The Radeon RX 580 2048 SB is a graphics card by AMD. At number 8 we have VisionTek RX 554GB graphics card. Connect 4x 4K displays. This RX 550 Radeon graphics card supports up to 4 displays at 4K resolution simultaneously via DisplayPort 1.4, delivering stunning visuals for any desktop PC setup. Enjoy seamless performance with features like FreeSync 2. PC bus power. Say goodbye to additional connectors with this graphics card for PC, powered entirely by the PC 3.0 bus. Radeon FreeSync 2 equipped with AMD graphics card technology. FreeSync 2 synchronizes your display's refresh rate with the GPU's frame rate. Benefit from low latency and HDR support, making this graphics card an ideal choice for productivity. Powerful 4GB GDDR5 memory, featuring a 1500 MHz memory clock, 1071 MHz core clock, and a 128-bit memory bus. This video card ensures fast, smooth performance for demanding applications, enhancing the productivity capabilities of your computer. Reliable performance backed by warranty. This graphics card is backed by a 3-year limited warranty when registered within 30 days of purchase, providing peace of mind for users. At number 9 we have GIGABYTE RTX 5068G graphics card. Step into next-gen gaming with the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5060 Gaming OC8G graphics card, powered by the advanced NVIDIA Blackwell architecture and enhanced with DLSS 4 for AI-driven performance boost and stunning visual clarity. Built around the GeForce RTX 5060 GPU, this card features 8GB of ultra-fast GDDR7 memory on a 128-bit interface, delivering improved bandwidth and efficiency for modern AAA titles in competitive esports gaming. With PCIe 5.0 support, it ensures faster data transfer speeds and future-ready compatibility with the latest motherboards. The WindForce cooling system provides efficient heat dissipation and stable performance during extended gaming sessions, keeping temperatures under control even under heavy loads. Equipped with DisplayPort and HDMI outputs, it supports high-resolution displays and multi-monitor setups for immersive gameplay and productivity. Designed for gamers seeking reliable performance, advanced AI features, and efficient cooling, the GVN 5060 Gaming OC8GB offers a powerful and future-focused graphics upgrade. At number 10 we have ASURIX RX 5508GB GDDR6 graphics card. Upgrade your system with the RX 5508GB graphics card, built on advanced RDNA architecture to deliver a more realistic and immersive gaming experience with enhanced visual detail and smooth performance. Designed for high-definition gameplay, it features triple DisplayPort 1.4 outputs and one HDMI 2.0B port, supporting multi-monitor setups and crisp, high-resolution visuals through a PCI Express 3.0x16 interface for stable bandwidth and clear image quality. This dual-slot graphics card is powered by a single 8-pin connector with a maximum power draw of 130 watts, offering efficient performance while remaining independently powered for reliable operation. The semi-intelligent fan system automatically adjusts based on GPU temperature, stopping completely during low loads to provide silent operation and extend the card's lifespan. Equipped with composite heat pipes that make direct contact with the GPU core, it ensures rapid heat transfer, prevents thermal throttling under full load, and maintains long-term stability.